Oh no. There's more carpet. No. Ugh. Oh no. Oh no. Definitely not the original floors. Oh wow. Look at that. Woohoo. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another day at the abandoned house. I've already gotten a lot of work done today. I met with the city inspector just to get some information about some different things, permits I might need. And then I just had the city take away all the stuff that was there last time. And they did it all for free. God, I love small towns. I am only gonna be here a few hours today. So, I feel like I got, dirt on my head. I am gonna try to pull up a few rows of carpet today, see what we see how challenging it is, and we'll go from there. Shall we see if there's gonna be wood floors under here? Oh wow! Look at that! Woohoo! Look at those! Oh my god! Woohoo! Yes! Oh wow! These are in awesome shape! Oh! That's so exciting! Ah! That's amazing! Oh my gosh! So cool. Keep them covered while I do the rest of the demo. I don't know. Let's go to the dining room. All right, let me find you some place to sit. Oh, I did that whole thing and I wasn't recording. So look what we found again. Look how good condition these are. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, now I want to check every room of the house. That's what we're gonna do. Let's check the kitchen. Oh, nope. Oh man. Oh. Well, this is gonna suck. Glue. And I'm sure that's not gonna come up easy. All right, I'm gonna see if I have a scraper and test it out. Oh, linoleum. Definitely wood under there. There's definitely wood. You can see here, but it's definitely under linoleum. Some kind of underlayment. Well, we're gonna cover that back up because that's probably full of asbestos and I don't want to touch that. All right, let's try another room. As you can see, we got some major plaster issues happening where it's like coming away from the wall. I'm gonna see about this corner and hope nothing falls on my head. So, I don't know what this is about. There's more wood under there, but I don't know why this is on here. Maybe it's because of the HVAC system that goes behind me here. It's in this little area. But we have more wood floors, so that's encouraging. Oh no, there's more carpet. No! Oh! Oh. Oh no. Definitely not the original floors. It's just the subfloor. So here's what we got. Need to wear my gloves. Brooke here. The mic goes out in this video quite a bit, so we do have a little travel confession segment where I'm going to take you to Hawaii. So I'm going to put that story as a voiceover to all the work you're about to see. Draw a card for another country story. Here we go. Here we go. We have been... Oh, it's a state. Yay, our first state, Hawaii. Okay, well, this is fun. It's a very short story. In 2008, I had a job working on a study abroad program called Semester at Sea. And I spent 5 months working on the ship as a student life coordinator, resident director. I was in charge of sort of a certain deck and section of the ship. So we circled the globe on the ship with 700 college students. We went to 12 countries on 3 continents, 4 continents technically, if you include the United States. One of our stops was actually in Hawaii. We basically were sailing from Japan to Costa Rica, but we had to stop and refuel in Hawaii. And so it just so happens that the day we stopped and refueled was Thanksgiving Day 2008. But the bad part about that is like the cool stuff you want to go see, like the Pearl Harbor Museum and things like that. It's a US national holiday, so of course everything was closed. So just so happened that I had a friend who was living in Honolulu at the time, and so I was able to crash their sort of Friendsgiving that they were hosting. Went down to the beach for a little while, and yeah, and then went back to the ship. So I was there for about 8 hours total, and then we got back on the ship and sailed the rest of the way to Costa Rica. So that is my Hawaii experience. I know it doesn't really count. It sort of counts. I've been a few other times for like layovers, where I've had like overnight layovers flying to Asia from the United States. But outside of that, I haven't really spent any more time than Thanksgiving Day 2008 in Honolulu. So there's my Hawaii story. Okay. I got the hallway done, which now matches the kitchen carpet, and I got the bathroom up mostly. So now I just have to get the next layer off, the next trip. All right, I'm really curious about the entryway. This is the front door. So let's see what we got under here. More wood.